In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove OneDrive from Quick Access. This is a very simple Windows file management task, and it only takes a few moments to complete. If OneDrive is showing in your Quick Access area and you no longer want it there, you can remove it without deleting the folder itself or affecting your files. This only changes what appears in the shortcut section of File Explorer, so it's a safe and easy cleanup step. To begin, open File Explorer on your desktop. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by opening any folder on your computer. Once File Explorer is open, look toward the left-hand sidebar. This is where you'll usually see sections like Quick Access, Desktop, Downloads, and other commonly used locations. In that left sidebar, find the OneDrive folder. If it has been pinned to Quick Access, it should appear there as a shortcut for faster access. Take a moment to make sure you're clicking the OneDrive entry in the sidebar, not a file or folder inside the main window. This matters because the option you need appears when you right-click the shortcut itself. Now, right-click on the OneDrive folder in the left sidebar. A context menu will open with several options related to that shortcut. From that menu, select Unpin from Quick Access. As soon as you click that option, OneDrive will be removed from the Quick Access section. Keep in mind, this does not uninstall OneDrive, disconnect your account, or delete anything from your computer. It simply removes the pinned shortcut from that location, which can help keep your File Explorer sidebar cleaner and easier to navigate. If you still use OneDrive, but just don't want it in Quick Access, this is the best option. And if you ever want it back later, you can always return to the folder, right-click it again, and pin it back to Quick Access. That's all there is to it. Open File Explorer, right-click OneDrive in the left sidebar, and choose Unpin from Quick Access. A quick and easy way to tidy up your workspace and keep only the shortcuts you actually use.